All right, number 49, negative 5x squared plus 5x equals negative 2. I'm going to use the quadratic formula here, but you need to remember that it has to equal 0 for the quadratic formula. So let's move the negative 2 over, and it will become a positive 2 over the line. Change the sign. Okay, so that is what I'm going to use. So here we have A, B, and C, and I have my quadratic formula up there from before, and let's plug these numbers in and see what happens. B is 5, so negative 5 plus or minus the square root, 25 minus 4. If you try to do this minus 4ac in your head, I'll see, and even myself, I'll mess up whether or not it should come out as positive or negative. So here I'm just going to negative 4 minus 4 times A times C. And now I can see this is going to be addition because multiplying those two negatives will make it a positive. Over negative 10. So negative 5 plus or minus. This will be 20, it'll be 40. So 25 plus 40 is 65. And I really should get the answer key here to make sure this is right. Did they distribute the negative 10? Okay, so this is how, this is like the regular, we have the distributive property. If you have 5 times x plus 2, you just multiply 5 to each of them. So 5x plus 10. And we've been doing that for a while. The same thing applies to division. Okay, just write them both over negative 10. So negative 5 over negative 10. Okay, this will be 1/2 plus or minus. And again, this negative is going to go away because adding the negative is the same as subtracting, and subtracting the negative is the same as adding. So it's like the plus or minus just becomes the minus plus, and then we don't need to write that negative sign. You're really lazy if you think that much not to write a little negative there. You're burning more calories in your head than you're saving from writing, but it is the same.